Hello everyone, this is Chris with Stickerfab and 21 Offroad. Hope you're doing alright. Today we are going to look at our brand new Ford Bronco Raptor. What we're going to do is put one of our essential items on this. This is a new product for us. You can see how these defroster connections kind of are just out there hanging. They have that metal tab, this slips over it, and you have the same thing on both sides. So what we're going to do really quick is put a cover on those. I'm going to do it. I'm going to tell you what I did and then give you a once over of what it looks like after that. They're just these little caps that go on top of that. Go ahead and clean that area off with isopropyl alcohol, especially if it is dirty. You want to make the surface nice and clean. These attach with 3M that's already pre-attached to the piece, so it makes it really easy. All you have to do is pull out the backing and stick it right up there. So go ahead and test fit it first, see how you're gonna line it, then you remove this and put it on there. And of course, before that, like I mentioned, clean that area up really well. All right, so there we have it, fully installed. I pretty much followed this line going down here, and I made it kind of equal to this right here. So it still goes at the same angle as the connector plug was already, so I'm not putting any additional strain on that piece. And right here you can see on the other side I've done the same thing, so it gives you a little peace of mind when you kind of overload your trunk area, or you're just messing around, you have kids back there doing weird stuff, or when you take this top off and store it. But if you're interested in this product, please visit our website. We'll have links in the description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest things we're coming out with for the 2022 and up Ford Bronco.